Hello, today I'm going to give you a really short video showing you how you can get the printout of any recipe on YouTube. So if somebody has recorded a video and they're talking you through the recipe as they do it on YouTube, you can get the printout of that recipe. And it's a really simple process. AI is your friend. So what I got here is I have a video that I uploaded earlier. Looks like a couple years ago, maybe a year and a half or so ago. But I want the transcript from this video. So what I do is I go down to the description box and you click view more on it, which I have already done. Let me take it back. That way there's no confusion. So you've got your video here. You go down to the description box and there's a more tag right here. Click that and it opens up your box for the video, the description box. In that description box there's a transcript and there's a button you can click called show transcript. Click that and you notice over on the right hand side here it has shown your transcript for this video. These three dots allow you to toggle on and off the time stamps. So you would click those three dots, toggle those time stamps off, and now you have just the whole text of this transcript of this video. All right, so there we go. Now we're going to open a new tab. And we're going to go home. So there's my new tab. So up here you type Gemini.google.com. All right, and that takes you to Gemini. Now down here for Ask Gemini, you say, write me a recipe using the following transcript, space. Okay, so now we go back to the video and we start at the top. We just highlight the whole recipe or the whole video. It's actually more than just a recipe. Right click on that, type copy, go back to Gemini, paste that, and hit return. Hit return or do it. There you go. What do you think of that? Okay, here's the recipe based on the provided transcript, formatted for clarity. Southwest skillet gives you the title of the recipe, how much it makes, prep time, cook time, all your ingredients, the equipment I used in the video, and then your step-by-step instructions. Is that cool or what? Now, to take it one step farther, you can print this out by highlighting everything Gemini gave you. And we will open a Word document. Do a blank document. We copy it. And we are going to paste using the keep source formatting. And there you have it. You're going to have a printable version of that whole recipe, and it gives you everything. It even takes out the notes, the tips that I gave during the video, like the transcript specifies instant rice, not minute rice. Adjust the chili powder to your taste, which I said in the video. The video shows the recipe being freeze-dried. This is not a required step. The video shows the recipe being packaged in Mylar bags. blah, blah, blah. So there you go. Real short video for you there, but that's just, you can do that with any video on YouTube. You can get the transcript of it and then go to Gemini AI and tell it to write a recipe from that transcript. It's going to pick out just the details for the recipe in the video and do it and give you that printout in about what? About 15 seconds? I am super happy with that. So let's go back to that. So there you go. We now have the printout for that video. We can do that with any video you want. You want to see another one? Let's go to YouTube home. And I don't know. Let's go John and Bibs episode. I'll pick one out that just popped up. 188. Okay. There's 188. Shipwreck Stew. Open that video. Press pause. Go down here. Click the more button. Scroll down. Show transcript. It pops up over here. It did it without the timestamps, but you might get it with the timestamps on there. Just toggle those off. Highlight it all. Copy it. Then go to Gemini. And we say, write me a recipe using the following transcript. Colon, space. Paste that in there. Hit the submit button. Just a second, and before I can read just a second, it's already got it written out. Shipwreck Stew, 16 servings, 30 minutes, cook time 8 hours in the slow cooker. All your ingredients, all the equipment I used, the instructions step by step, including it even picked out my freeze dry instructions that I said, how I packaged it, and now all these notes from the video. What do you think about that? Okay. This video has gone a lot longer than it needed to be to show you a very simple process. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you use it. And I look forward to seeing you next time.